Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in a Kia Sportage. First, gather your tools: a wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. You'll also need the correct type and amount of new engine oil, a new oil filter, and a new drain plug washer. Park your Sportage on a level surface and engage the parking brake for safety. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient oil change process. Now, let's drain the old oil. Safely raise your Kia Sportage using a jack and jack stands or drive it onto ramps. Locate the oil drain plug on the bottom of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly beneath it. Using the correct size wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Let all the old oil drain completely into the pan, which usually takes several minutes. With the old oil drained, it's time to replace the filter and plug. Locate the old oil filter and use an oil filter wrench to remove it. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of new oil to its rubber gasket. Screw on the new filter by hand until it's snug, then give it about 3/4 of a turn more. Finally, replace the drain plug with a new washer and tighten it securely. Now let's add the fresh oil. Locate the oil fill cap on your engine. Using a funnel, carefully pour the recommended amount of new engine oil into the fill opening. Once filled, replace the cap. Start your engine and let it run for a minute or two, checking for any leaks around the new filter and drain plug. Turn off the engine, wait a few minutes, then check the oil level with the dipstick.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.